welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing our advent calendar by SkinStore. They were actually kind enough to send this over to me. There's over $500 worth of goodies in this advent calendar. You guys know I am super excited about advent calendars. I'm actually new to them and we've already unboxed one on our channel. Here is our second one and I'm beyond excited about it. So anyways guys, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, play at makeup, talk about makeup, and have a good old time. Just, you know, having fun over here. So make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell. I upload all the time over here, pretty much 5 to 6, 7, 8 times a week. You just never know what you're gonna get. Monday through Fridays at 12:15, weekends 9 p.m. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay guys, so like I said, this advent box is by SkinStore. This is their Holiday Edit 2020 box worth over $544 worth of goodies. So well over $500 worth of goodies in here. Let's go ahead. First of all, let me like get you guys closer to this box so you can see how nice just the boxes. Okay guys, so you know I am like a kid on Christmas when it comes to these advent calendars. So opening it right up, and this is what the inside of it looks like. We do get a SkinStore Holiday Edit little book brochure, and it does tell you about everything that is in this box. So first of all, look how cute everything is as far as it goes. I love the fact that it is in order. This is going to be your 12 days of Christmas advent calendar. So let's start off with day 1. You can take the whole box out. This is so nice, and honestly y'all, I feel like this would be really cute to keep this box and reuse it every single year and like make your own advent calendar out of that. You guys know your girl is all about like reusing things. So we have wrapped up with a little tissue paper in here. The first item on day 1 is by 111 Skincare, and this is a Sub-Zero Depuffing Energy Facial Mask. You guys, these masks are so nice. I have received a couple of the other ones in subscriptions and they're expensive and they work really well. Moving on to day 2. Okay, so day 2 has the, and I don't know if I'm saying this right or not, Omorovicza, I think is how you say it. This is what the box looks like. I know it's probably a very, very expensive brand. And then when we open it up, the inside looks like this. It's a nice frosted glass pot. You have 0.17 fluid ounces in here. Ooh, and there you go. This is called the Gold Rescue Cream. This little pot, you all, has a retail value of $32. Each item is in this pamphlet, and it does give you the retail value of the amount that you receive in here. For example, the 111 Skincare Mask is a retail value of $32. Okay, so day 3, we are moving in, and this is a multivitamin concentrate. It's a Repair Ampoule by, is it BABOR? So large size of this. This has a retail value of $35 in here. And again, this is day 3. Ooh, moving on to day 4, we've got 2 items in here. One is by Molton Brown. This is an infusing eucalyptus shower gel. And then we've got a candle by Nest. Ooh, that smells so good, and it's so flippin' cute. How precious is that? So the shower gel, for the amount that you have in here, is worth $4, and this candle by Nest is worth $8. Moving on to day 5, we have a resurfacing compound by Beauty. Beauty resurfacing compound does have a retail value of $58. I know nothing about this brand, but I'm very excited about it. A little information about the Beauty resurfacing compound. It does have the retail value of $58. It's a clean, high performance formula designed to brighten the skin as dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles visibly fade within 3 to 6 days. That sounds absolutely amazing. Ooh, moving on to the next item for day 6 is by Chantecaille, which, as we know, is super expensive. This does have a retail value of $89, and this is the Jasmine and Lily Healing Mask. As we know, the Chantecaille line is very luxe. I mean, look how beautiful this jar is. I mean, just to sit right there, I like, so pretty. Like I said, retail value $89. This is a luxury cooling mask infused with unique botanicals to soothe and hydrate dry skin. Wow, this is really good because my 14-year-old is really struggling with dry skin right now. So it'll help to hydrate the skin, protecting it from overexposure of elements. So very, very nice. And by the way, guys, I did forget to mention this box is $150, and I do have a $10 off coupon code that I can offer you guys as well. It's not an affiliate code or anything like that. Moving on to day 7 by Christophe Robin. This is the Detox Scrub Perfect Hair Duo. Now, this little duo set has a retail value of $23, and let's see here. We've got 2 products in here. This smells really nice. This is different masks, and like I said, the cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt for your hair. And you guys know I have a bit of an obsession compulsion with my hair because it got fried to you know where and back in 2014. So it has been a work in process to get it back to where it is. So I'm always excited to see these items. Moving on to day 8 out of the 12. We have got Verso Eye Cream. This does have a retail value of $65 for this eye cream, and it is a nourished, nutrient-rich formula with moisturizing benefits for the delicate skin area. So very, very nice. I have not tried this brand out before, so if you guys have tried any of these brands out, let us know your reviews down in the comment section. By the way, guys, if you are enjoying this unboxing, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. I'd love for you guys to stick around and subscribe, and don't forget to check me out over on my Instagram, which we will be doing some giveaways very soon over there, and there will be, or is, a giveaway going on right now on our channel. So at the end of this video, make sure to check out that giveaway and go over there to enter into it. Okay, guys, so now moving over to day 9, we have, I've been wanting to try this out. This is the L'Occitane. This is the hand cream, which I know Casey Holmes has talked about this brand so much. She said it's absolutely amazing. This does have a retail value of $12, and it's the shea butter hand cream, which is enriched with 20% organic shea butter to protect, nourish, and moisturize your skin. So very happy to see hand cream, because in this day and age, we all need it. Okay, day 10, we have, what is this? PCA Skin Extra. It's a peptide smoothing serum. Okay, so this serum, guys, are you ready for this? Has a retail value of $115. Yeah, you heard that right, $115. And like I said, this box will end up costing you $140 after my coupon. I definitely feel like you've already made your money back just within like 1 or 2 products. So this is a full size 1 fluid ounce. A little information about this. This is a peptide spot treatment serum that minimizes the appearance of expression lines. Ooh, I could use this. And it hydrates, smooths, and firms aging skin. Ooh, girl, I am excited about that. So that is something you will see in day 10 of your advent calendar. 2 more days left, friends, and we have another full-size product. This is Aurelia Probiotic Skincare. It is a miracle cleanser with chamomile, eucalyptus, rosemary, and bergamot. This is what the box looks like. Like, even the box looks bougie. You guys see that? That is so nice. Okay, so a little information about this. This cleanser does have a retail value of $33. Look how pretty that is. I mean, like, who wouldn't love to receive this? You know what I mean? Like, I am just so excited over advent calendars. Like, these are really cool. It's so funny. Oh my gosh, look at this. It even comes with a little wash rag. Like, how cute is that? Honestly, y'all, if anything, you could even get this and like give these little gifts off to people, like 12 different people. Who wouldn't be happy to receive one of these items in here, you know? These are all very nice, high-end luxury products. So a little information about this cleanser. It says it is sulfate-free, gentle cleanser to effectively remove makeup, including eye makeup, and leave skin balanced and hydrated. Okay, so the last day that we have here is day 12, and we have some multitask eye serum mask pack box of, how many do we have in here? 2, 4, 6. Okay, so we get 6 of the eye treatment masks, and again, it's another fancy brand. Now this set has a retail value of $38, and like I said, you are getting 6 masks in here. So that is nice. I love these. It says a silky all-in-one hydrogel eye patch formulated with a powerhouse of ingredients to tackle the major signs of under-eye dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. The multitasking eye patch is high-powered serum infused with algae extract, vitamin B3, and a bunch of other amazing ingredients. And it does say that you will get immediate results under your eye. Okay guys, so that is everything in this year's SkinStore Holiday Edit 2020 Advent Calendar. Like I said, this whole box right here is $150, but they did give me a link and a code for you guys. Like I said, it's not an affiliate, where you guys can save some money on this box. And you guys, I think definitely this is worth the money. On top of that, like I said, if you don't want to keep everything for yourself, obviously you don't have to. I mean, just alone, you could just gift one of these little items, and again, this had like a $23 value. How cute would this be? So that's the other thing I've been thinking about when it comes to these advent calendars. I mean, even if you're not going to use everything in here, they make wonderful stocking stuffers, wonderful little secret Santa gifts to give to the kids, teachers, whatever it may be. So anyways, I think this is awesome. I think it is absolutely wonderful. You guys, I am loving advent calendars. I am all about it. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below. If you are wanting some high-end luxury products, then definitely make sure to check that link down below. Like I said, it's not an affiliate. It's just a way for you guys to save a little money. Thank you again to SkinStore for sending this over my way. I greatly appreciate it, and I have so much fun unboxing these advent calendars for you guys. So thank you to you guys, because I actually asked you guys, would you be interested in even seeing me unbox advent calendars over here on our channel? And y'all were like, yes, I love that. And I have to tell you guys, I have been watching like old school vlogmases from like 2016. I am like in the spirit, ready to go. November 1, that Christmas tree is going up. Yep, who's with me? Let me know down below. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, there is a giveaway going on our channel. I will leave a link to the video down below in the comment section, as well as in the description box with all the information to order your SkinStore Advent Calendar. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, guys, and I will see you in our next video. As always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. And if you guys are curious about my outfit, it's a dress with pockets. Yeah, it's so cozy. Of course, you guys know where it's from, the good old Glitzy Girls Boutique. I'll leave this listed down below for you guys as well. And my earrings are from Ana Luisa, and this right here is from Slip, and I actually got it off of SkinStore. So I'll have everything listed and linked down below for you guys if you guys are interested in anything that I am wearing. So if you guys are curious about my eye look, I actually used the new Pat McGrath palette on my eyes today. So I'll have that linked for you guys as well down below. They will all be affiliate links, so thank you guys in advance if you do shop through my links. Okay, friends, that is all for today's video. Until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.